it's Saturday, November 14th. Welcome back to the garden. You caught me doing a little cleanup. There's always something to do in the weed-free garden. We had a couple minor frosts. We had a couple peppers that decided they really wanted to live. So this morning I came out here and we went ahead and bucketed them up. Just a little too wet to be raking leaves right now. That's my excuse anyhow. But there's always something to be done. I want to thank all of my new subscribers, and if you want to participate in the subscriber celebrations, just leave a comment down below. I'll get that, and we'll figure out how I can get your pictures. I want to tell you, folks really want to see what you're doing in your garden. And if you have a channel, I'd be more than happy to highlight your channel and put that in the description box below. One of the reasons I've done this is to help motivate others to go ahead and grow a garden, because it tastes good. Look at that, November 14th, and we still have bees out here. Look at that. You got your bok choy, you got your other brassicas, you got your peas, your lettuces, your root crops, your beets, your salads. All of these do very, very well in the cool weather. They can take the light frost, no problem. One of the reasons we covered it when we were supposed to have the hard frost is we wanted to keep the flowers going so we could extend our growing season. Beets are doing nicely. Our fall kale is sweetened up tremendously. All it takes is a couple nice frosts. Carrots still have a little ways to go. They're coming on okay. Look how loaded the peas are. With any luck, we'll be able to ride this into December. Take a look at the plants in Kathy's cool weather raised beds. That kale has to be sweetening up. From one of the very first subscriber celebrations, we got to see Ron and Kathy's greenhouse. Right against this wall, be a nice place to set up a little greenhouse. Over the winter, I expect the subscriber submissions to slow down a little bit. But if you're in Thailand, the Philippines, Malaysia, Australia, New Zealand, get a hold of me. I would love to show off what you're doing in your garden. Like to see the plants that you have. Every Saturday, set aside to do a little review of this garden, what's going on in my story, and to see what's going on at your house. Absorb the sun from the south, keep a little warmer, come off the pitch, slanted roof, let the water run, come out a little ways. That'd be a fine little, something that I can work in. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Well, it's fall, so we're taking it apart just like we put it together in the late winter. Getting ready. Coming up, we'll look at how we're going to lay out next year's garden. They always say you don't want to plant the same stuff in the same spot. I don't know as I hold true to that. Got a little bit more to do out here in the garden, and then it's all going to be preparing for next year. This year's garden's not even done yet, and I'm really excited to start planting next year. Remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.